Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lez. So today I'm doing this purple halo eye as the third, well technically it's the third look of the rainbow series. So previously I did blue and yellow. I did yellow on my channel. I still have to do the blue tutorial for you guys. I'm probably going to do that sometime this week, hopefully. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already did one eye off camera. It's just this purple halo eye. What's new? I always do a freaking halo eye. Okay, so as always, I'm just gonna blend out my concealer since I did already prime and stuff. So first I will be taking the shade Electric Violet from the Sephora Pro Neon palette. It's the mini one. And I'm taking that on a Makeup Shack T36 brush. Just gonna tap that off. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna place it. So now I'm going to blend that out with my Makeup Shack T98 brush. I'm just going to keep packing that color on. So now I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to use this purple right here and repeat the same process that I just did with the other purple. This one is a little bit darker though, obviously, so I'm going to be more careful with it. I'm going to mix those two purples together now. I'm going to go back in with the T98 brush. Okay, so I have a question for y'all. Like, it's gonna show up in the video somewhere when I ask it. But I'm trying to make my videos a little bit shorter so you guys can so you guys don't have to watch everything. But that means I don't do like my face on camera. So I don't know, let me know if you guys want to see like what I do with my face like in a separate video, or if I should just like not show it because y'all have seen what I do like for foundation and highlight and blush and that. So yeah, I'm taking that purple from the Sephora palette. So yeah, let me know because that's really what makes my videos longer. It's the me doing my base on camera. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Shack T59 brush to blend that out. Blend out the edges. I'm gonna pack that dark purple into the inner and outer corners. I'm blending that out with a Morphe M441. I love the color purple, but it's so hard to do looks with and so hard to blend out. It's just so much work. It gets kind of annoying because there's also like different shades of purple with different undertones. I don't know. Taking the ABH Cosmetics brush. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut the halo eye, and I'm gonna use my Radiance Reveal Concealer, as you guys already know. Or should know if you guys watch my video. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a Makeup Shack T9 brush and those two purples, and you'll see. And I just place it. Like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the Anastasia brush that comes with any Anastasia palette, and I am taking, let me wipe off my brush first. I'm taking the shade Tila from the same Sephora palette and placing it where there's no shadow. Just like that, and I'm going to take those purples again. Blend out the edges. Okay. So now I'm going to take from the Anastasia Sweets Glowkit, I'm going to use Sassy Grape. It's purple. It's a purple highlighter. It's so pretty. Like, yeah. And I'm taking that on the Makeup Shack Flat Synthetic brush and placing it where I put the pink. So now I'm just gonna blend out that shade with the Makeup Shack brush. I'm just gonna keep repeating the process. I'm taking the Makeup Shack T73 brush to blend out any harsh edges. I'm just gonna go back to that Makeup Shack. Okay, so my camera did stop recording, but whatever was left, whatever it stopped, was technically the end of the tutorial. So that's the finished look. You get this little purple halo eye. It kind of like, I don't know, it gives me like festival vibes for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial and how short it was, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if I should do shorter videos like this, or if I should keep them longer and like show what I do with my face and the rest of my makeup. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what color I should do next and the whole length of the video thing. And if you aren't already subscribed, like, what are you doing? Like, just subscribe already, you know. I'm pretty cool, I guess. Every single product that I use will be in the description box, like even the stuff that's on my face. And yeah, I have all my social media and all my affiliate links and codes down there, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.